We are decelerating.
The dramatic landing of NASA's Curiosity rover on Mars last August had millions spellbound worldwide. In the months since, the six-wheeled mobile laboratory has generated waves of rumors about hints of life-related chemistry on the distant world that, one by one, mission scientists have debunked as they made their findings public. Systematic startup tests of its cameras, sensors, laser, and onboard analytical laboratory were most notable scientifically for what they did not find. So far, they've detected no traces of methane in the Martian air, no unequivocal chemical evidence of water, and no native organic compounds that would indicate that life had left its mark on that world. What they are finding in the 100-mile-wide Gale crater, where the rover landed, is an arid landscape of windswept badlands that in some ways seems hauntingly like Earth. Wheeling across the uneven terrain at 1.5 inches per second, the rover has recorded panoramic vistas that often resemble the Mojave Desert. It spotted rounded pebbles that scientists believe were likely shaped by an ancient fast-flowing stream. Now, after months of trial runs, Curiosity is ready to scratch the surface of Mars, positioning itself this week to drill into the crust of the red planet for the first time. If all goes as planned, mission scientists at the Jet Propulsion Laboratory in California will command the rover's pneumatic drill to penetrate a layer of the region's oldest rocks to collect a pristine mineral sample that might reveal clues to whether conditions on Mars were once hospitable for life. Engineers are finding the $2.5 billion Curiosity rover, the most complex spacecraft ever landed on another planet, more difficult to operate than anticipated. The one-ton vehicle totes 11 instruments, from a sophisticated laboratory to a robotic whisk broom designed to sweep samples clear of the ubiquitous Martian dust. In stops and starts, the rover has traveled a total of 2,312 feet from where it touched down on August 5th and beamed back 18,226 images and nearly 10 gigabytes of raw information. Now, after testing its equipment and fine-tuning its computerized operations, the remote-controlled vehicle is settling down to the serious business of planetary exploration. Next month, it will be embarking on a trek to one of the tallest mountains on Mars. For the Wall Street Journal, this is science writer Robert Lee Holtz.